This ad you're seeing right now has generated millions of views and millions of dollars for this brand. And this is the AI generated version I recreated in just a few minutes. Same hook, same structure, same style that makes it convert, and the most important part is that it doesn't look AI generated. If you're running an e-com brand, you already know how powerful UGC ads are. They don't feel like ads, they feel like real people sharing their real experiences. And because of that, they convert much better than other ad types. In fact, UGC style ads can get up to 4x higher click-through rates and cut the cost per purchase in half compared to traditional ads. Here's what most people don't realize. Big brands are already using AI for UGC ads. Brands like Brez aren't just relying on creators anymore. They are recreating UGC ads at scale with AI. And why is that? Because it's faster, cheaper, and way easier to control. The problem is that most AI UGC still looks terrible. Robotic voices, weird facial movements, awkward timing, you can spot it in seconds. And the moment people notice that, trust drops. And if trust drops, your ads don't convert. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to recreate viral UGC ads using AI, the same style of ads 7, 8, and 9-figure brands are using right now. But the most important part I will teach you is how to make them look realistic so that people will not even realize that they are AI generated. And here's the best part. You can do this entire process in under 10 minutes. I'll break it down step by step so that you can find winning ads in your niche, turn them into your own original scripts, and generate realistic AI UGC videos. Step 1 is real simple, and that's finding a proven ad that's already performing so that we can reverse engineer it. If you already have a brand and competitors, you can check the Meta Ads library or TikTok to see what's working in your niche. You can find ads in here with high impressions over time, which usually means that they are real winners. And that's important because they are usually proven to convert, not just look viral. Scrolling through TikTok, I found this UGC ad that's performing very well. The video had millions of views and strong engagement. And this is the one that I'm going to use as inspiration for my AI UGC ad. Once you have your winning video, the next step is bringing it to life with AI. The tool we are going to be using is Max Fusion AI. Okay, so once you signed up, you'll be brought to the Max Fusion's dashboard. You want to click on a new project and then click on the Copy Lab button. This is a great feature because what this allows you to do is to upload any video inside Max Fusion and it will automatically transcribe it for you so that you can clone it. This feature breaks down the entire ad for you. You'll get the full transcript, the scenes, and the structure. Then you can recreate it scene by scene, just swapping in your own product. Click the Extract Frames button. Next, you can take screenshots from the video. A good rule of thumb is to extract a frame each time the scene changes. So for our video, every time the scene changes and every time something new appears on the screen, we will take a screenshot. Then when we click Save Frames, all our shots will appear along the bottom of the page. Next, pick one of the frames and then click Send to Banana Clone. Max Fusion will create a clone of that image. Make sure you select one of the pictures where your character is prominently shown because Max Fusion will create another version of that character. Now our AI UGC character was created and look how similar it is to the original person. We just need to make her hold our product. Let's say we're selling Goalie Super Greens. We will prompt Nano Banana to generate our character holding the Goalie bottle. Now let's create images for each scene with our new character. We'll go back to our screenshotted frames that we created in Copy Lab, select the ones that we want to include in our ad, and then click Add to Images. We will now see them in the Image tab. All we need to do then is click Edit with Prompt on each photo and prompt Nano Banana to replace the woman in each scene with our character and our product. I recreated all the scenes, the scene with the woman doing yoga, the scene with the blender, the close-up with the bottle, the scene with the woman eating gummies, the one with her going out, and so on. Now we've got our character, but we still need a script. Because we're recreating this ad and just changing with a similar product, I'm using the transcript that Copy Lab already generated for me. I'm just going to change the name of the product and I'm going to replace the benefits. The next step is creating the videos. I used the key moments from Copy Lab and had ChatGPT turn them into prompts for my model. Let's start with the first scene, the girl introducing the product. I select my reference image, click Generate Video, and choose my model. I'm using Seedance, then I paste in the prompt, set the format to 9:16 for short form content, and hit Generate. This is the first scene and it looks great. Now I repeat the same process for the rest of the scenes. One by one I select the reference images and write prompts to guide how each video should look. We'll describe exactly what we want our character to do in each of the scenes. You don't need to overcomplicate this, just describe what the person is doing. In the end we get a full sequence where the character performs actions similar to the original ad along with supporting B-roll shots. Okay, once all the scenes are generated, I have everything I need for this AI UGC video. Next, I will edit everything together inside CapCut. You can use any other editor you want. I import all the files, drag the clips into the timeline in order. You can also add captions if you want. And here's the final video. Natural expressions, smooth lighting, perfect motion.
I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate the taste of taking greens and I don't eat enough of them every day. Making shakes takes too much time and it's always a mess. That's why Goalie came up with these super green gummies and they taste amazing. They are made with super greens and probiotic blend as well as vitamins and minerals.
I take 2, but I'm guilty of having more in the morning because they taste so good. It's like a sweet treat you don't feel guilty about.
And I can already feel the difference. It has definitely helped with my digestion and bloating. I have more energy since taking this. Get your hands on the Green Goddess supplement everyone's talking about.
The product name and logo is clear, and because this process is so easy, you can test dozens of variations and quickly scale up your campaigns without waiting weeks for new content. If you want to try Max Fusion AI, you can find the link in the description, and if you want to see how I recreate viral AI UGC ads, you should see this video next. Click it and I'll see you there.